Do you know you can make simple cartoon story videos like this and earn real income from YouTube, Facebook, and kids platforms? In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create a complete cartoon video using only free AI tools. We'll make characters, scenes, images, videos, voiceovers, and final editing, even if you're a total beginner. So watch carefully and don't skip anything. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll create a mini 3D Pixar-style cartoon story using completely free AI tools. Our example story is about a rabbit and an elephant who grow a date tree together. You'll learn how to prepare a simple story, how to create consistent 3D Pixar-style characters, how to break the story into scenes, how to generate images and videos using AI, how to record voiceover, and how to edit and export your final cartoon. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare the story. Simple and beginner-friendly. We begin by creating a simple, short story. You can generate stories easily through free tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any AI writing tool. Just give your idea in simple words and ask for a short story with a beginning, middle, and ending. Example story. We'll use this. Rabbit finds a date seed and plants it. Nothing grows. Elephant tells him plants need water. Every day they water it together until a tall date tree grows. They enjoy the sweet fruits happily. This story is short, clear, and perfect for beginners. Step 2. Create consistent 3D Pixar-style characters, scenes, and prompts using ChatGPT. For this part, we will use one detailed prompt in ChatGPT that will create consistent 3D Pixar-style character descriptions, break the story into scenes, generate high-quality image prompts, and create one-sentence image-to-video prompts. I will provide this full prompt in the video description for you to copy and use. Example of what you'll paste into ChatGPT. Your improved Pixar prompt goes here. Viewers will download it. ChatGPT will then give you Pixar-style character descriptions, scene-by-scene breakdown, image prompts, motion prompts, all ready to use. Step 3. Create images and videos using free AI tools. 3A. Create images. You can use any image generator like Nano Banana, Google AI Studio, Picluma AI, Leonardo AI, Meta AI. In this tutorial, I will use Nano Banana because it's simple and free. Steps. Open Nano Banana, paste the image prompt provided by ChatGPT. Select 16:9 aspect ratio, best for YouTube. Generate the image. Download it. Repeat this for every scene until all images are ready. 3B. Create video clips from images using Meta AI. We will now turn each image into a short animated clip. Steps. Open Meta AI, click Create on the left sidebar, select 16:9 from the right panel, upload your image, select Custom Animation, paste the one-sentence image-to-video prompt from ChatGPT. Generate the clip. Repeat this step for all scenes so you get a full set of animated clips in order. Step 4. Record the voiceover. Free and easy. For the voiceover, we'll use Google AI Studio's text-to-voice tool. Steps. Go to Google AI Studio, text to voice, select native voice, select single speaker, paste your narration of the story, generate and download the voiceover. You can also create character-style voices later inside your editor. Step 5. Final editing using Canva. Now we will bring everything together. Steps. Open Canva, select video 1920 by 1080 landscape. Upload your voiceover file, upload your video clips in order, align each clip with the narration. Add sound effects like rabbit voice, elephant splash, and wind. Add a title screen and end screen. Watch the final preview and make small adjustments. Final message. And that's how you make a complete Pixar-style cartoon story video from start to finish using only free AI tools, even with zero experience. If you want the downloadable prompt, story script, or my full template for beginners, check the description below. Advanced tips and tricks. Clear and easy to understand. AI tools are powerful, but they don't always give the perfect result on the first attempt. That's why reviewing and refining every stage is essential for getting high-quality output. 1. Story creation. Review and refine. During this tutorial, ChatGPT initially created a story that was longer than what we needed, so we simply asked it to make the story short, interesting, and emotionally engaging, and it did. This is an important reminder. Always refine your text until it becomes exactly what you want. 2. Image creation. Use reference images for better results. Sometimes tools like Google AI Studio don't produce bright, clean, or attractive images by just pasting text prompts. So here's a pro tip that works every time. First, create a reference image. For example, we made our thumbnail using ChatGPT image generation. Then, upload that reference image into Google AI Studio. Next, instruct it to generate new images in the same style, brightness, and color quality. This ensures all visuals remain consistent, bright, and professional. Also, feel free to try other tools like Leonardo AI, Pixar-Style AI, Nano Banana AI. These tools often give beautiful 3D Pixar-style results. 3. Final video editing in Canva. Add sound and atmosphere. In this tutorial, while editing the final video in Canva, I added elephant triumph sound, rapid voice expressions, soft background effects. These small audio touches make the animation feel alive, immersive, and realistic. Canva has a full library of sounds. Go to Elements, then Audio in the left menu, and choose voices or sound effects that match your characters and scenes. Final message. I hope you will try this complete process yourself. If you want to learn more about using AI tools for animation, storytelling, or content creation, make sure to like, reshare, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.